So here we are at the 2002 Classic Motor Show, sponsored by Lancaster. And here's our stand almost complete. Carpets are down. The Herald, the Range Rover and the Mini are in place. And the storyboards made for us by Alveston Press. They're up and in place. And so are the enlarged cardboard cutouts. The theme of the show this year is cars that are part of the family, and all of these cars have a very good story to tell. Come along to the NEC and see for yourselves. I don't have to work us admin hard, you know, Mike. To see you sweating.
The advantage of being admin, you see.
Sit down, let them all get on with
exactly.
it.
I'm updating the Facebook.
Ah, okay, you're updating Facebook, okay.
Very busy. Oh, you're saying it.
So look Ian. Oh, look. I haven't seen that one yet. Oh, look at that.
To work out a way to get planning.
Brilliant. When was that, Link? About 78, 79?
Moved into that house, so I've been around about 77. I've been
77, year I was born.
Yeah.
So that's 45 years ago. Wow, is that? Same car. Different colour, same car.